So it's loose now. Make sure don't go to park, because if you go to park, it's gonna lock again. So you can tell, like, it's dead. Key stuck, and shifter won't go in neutral. So you need to get a put this on neutral so that it will get towed away or push out of the garage. So easy way to put this on neutral. Some vehicle, there's a little cubby hole here. You take it out, there's a little door right here, but this don't have nothing, just a cubby hole in there. So what do? You pop this, you just get a trim tool piece like this, just pry it up from the front and then work your way out here, and then this will come up. Grab a light so that everybody can see it. Okay, so you can tell, press the button, it won't go in gear. So you pop this open, this is the shifter housing. Put a light in there. Alright, so what you do is grab like a flat screwdriver. Okay, I'm gonna use this pick right here. So this right here, this little lever, that look like a J looking lever. This thing, just pop that up, and then press the shifter and then move it back. Nope, do it again. Alright, you guys on the tripod here, so it's steady. So this is the bottom of the shifter on the side, on the passenger side. So this little lever here, that thing has to move up. So here, shifter won't go, and this is the lever right here, has to move up. When it's up, press the shifter button, pull back. There you go. So now it's on reverse. So it's loose now. Make sure don't go to park, because if you go to park, it's gonna lock again. So it's on neutral right now. Neutral, yeah, reverse neutral. There you go. So that's how you do it, man. That's how you put that thing on neutral or reverse when the battery is dead or everything's not working. Like the battery, nothing at all, it won't start.